In the realm of culinary craftsmanship, two titans of the kitchen stand out for their versatility and indispensability: the Dutch oven and the stock pot. These culinary workhorses have been staples in kitchens around the world for generations, each bringing its unique strengths to the art of cooking. From the hearty stews simmering in a cast-iron Dutch oven to the aromatic broths bubbling in a gleaming stock pot, these vessels are the unsung heroes behind countless delicious meals. As we delve into the world of Dutch ovens and stock pots, we'll uncover the nuances that set them apart and the qualities that make each indispensable in its own right. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a curious home cook, understanding the intricacies of these kitchen essentials will elevate your culinary game and help you make informed decisions about which tool to reach for when inspiration strikes. Let's embark on a journey through the simmering depths of these culinary giants and the myriad ways they can transform your cooking experience. Design. Dutch ovens are renowned for their robust construction and thoughtful design. Typically round or oval in shape, they boast thick walls that taper slightly towards the top. This design feature allows for efficient stirring and prevents ingredients from becoming trapped in corners. The heavy, tight-fitting lid is a hallmark of Dutch ovens, creating a seal that traps moisture and flavors within the pot. Many Dutch ovens feature a slightly domed lid, which allows condensation to drip back onto the food, creating a self-basting effect. The interior of enamel Dutch ovens often has a light-colored surface, making it easier to monitor food browning and prevent burning. Stock pots, in contrast, are characterized by their tall, straight sides and wide base. This design maximizes the pot's capacity while minimizing its footprint on the stovetop. The straight sides also facilitate easy stirring and prevent boil-overs. Stock pot lids are typically flat or slightly domed and made of the same material as the pot itself. Some high-end stock pots feature graduated markings on the interior, allowing for precise measurement of liquids. Additionally, many stock pots come with a strainer insert, which is particularly useful for making stocks or cooking pasta. Cooking applications. Dutch ovens shine in their ability to perform a wide array of cooking techniques. They excel at braising tough cuts of meat, where their ability to maintain consistent low temperatures turns collagen-rich tissues into tender, succulent dishes. The even heat distribution makes them ideal for slow-cooking stews and casseroles. One unique application of Dutch ovens is baking bread. The heavy lid traps steam during the initial stages of baking, creating a crisp, golden crust. Dutch ovens are also excellent for deep frying, as their thick walls help maintain oil temperature. Stock pots, while more specialized, are irreplaceable for certain tasks. They're the go-to choice for making large batches of soups, stocks, and broths. The tall sides allow for the extraction of flavors from bones and vegetables over long simmering periods. Stock pots are also ideal for blanching vegetables, as their large capacity allows for rapid cooling in ice baths after cooking. An often overlooked use for stock pots is in home brewing beer. Their large capacity and ability to handle high heat make them perfect for boiling wort in the beer-making process. Size and capacity. Dutch ovens come in a range of sizes to suit various needs. Smaller 2-quart versions are perfect for side dishes or cooking for 1 or 2 people. The most versatile sizes are between 5 and 7 quarts, ideal for family meals and entertaining. Large 15-quart Dutch ovens are suitable for big batches of soup or stew, or for cooking for large gatherings. Stock pots typically start at larger sizes, with 6-quart pots being on the smaller end. Professional kitchens often use massive 40-quart or larger stock pots for preparing large quantities of stock or soup. For home use, 8 to 12-quart stock pots are most common, providing ample capacity for most cooking needs. Construction and materials. The construction of Dutch ovens has evolved over time. Traditionally made from bare cast iron, many modern Dutch ovens feature an enamel coating. This enamel, typically made from powdered glass, is fused to the cast iron at high temperatures. The result is a non-reactive, easy-to-clean surface that doesn't require seasoning. Some manufacturers produce Dutch ovens from ceramic or other materials, but these often lack the heat retention properties of cast iron. High-end Dutch ovens may feature a black enamel interior, which is more resistant to staining and can withstand higher temperatures than light-colored enamel. Stock pots are typically constructed from stainless steel, aluminum, or a combination of both. High-quality stock pots often feature a tri-ply or multi-ply construction, with layers of different metal sandwiched together. A common configuration is stainless steel on the interior and exterior with an aluminum core. This design combines the durability and non-reactivity of stainless steel with the superior heat conductivity of aluminum. Heat conduction and retention. The thick walls and heavy construction of Dutch ovens make them excellent at retaining heat. Once heated, they maintain a consistent temperature, which is ideal for slow cooking methods. This heat retention also means they're great at keeping food warm after cooking. Cast iron's heat retention properties can be both an advantage and a disadvantage. While it takes longer to heat up, it also cools down slowly, which can be beneficial when serving directly from the pot. The even heat distribution helps prevent hot spots, reducing the risk of burning food. Stock pots, being made of thinner materials, heat up and cool down more quickly. This responsiveness to temperature changes can be advantageous when precise temperature control is needed, such as when making delicate sauces or candies. However, it also means they're more prone to temperature fluctuations and may require more attention during cooking. High-quality multi-ply stock pots aim to combine the best of both worlds. The aluminum core provides rapid and even heat distribution, while the stainless steel exterior offers durability and helps maintain temperature stability. Storage and handling. The compact shape of Dutch ovens makes them relatively easy to store, despite their weight. Many cooks choose to keep their Dutch ovens on the stovetop or in the oven when not in use, both for convenience and as a decorative element in the kitchen. When it comes to handling, the weight of a Dutch oven can be challenging, especially when full. Most designs feature large, sturdy handles to facilitate safe movement. Some brands offer Dutch ovens with helper handles, small handles opposite the main handle to provide additional support when lifting. Stock pots, while generally lighter than Dutch ovens of similar capacity, can be unwieldy due to their height. Their tall, narrow shape can make them difficult to fit in some kitchen cabinets. However, their lighter weight makes them easier to maneuver when full, which is particularly beneficial when draining pasta or transferring large quantities of liquid. Many stock pots feature riveted handles for durability, ensuring they can support the weight of a full pot. Some designs include helper handles on the sides, similar to Dutch ovens, to aid in lifting and pouring. By understanding the unique characteristics and applications of Dutch ovens and stock pots, home cooks and professional chefs alike can make informed decisions about which tool to use for different culinary tasks. Both have their place in a well-equipped kitchen, each bringing its own strengths to the art of cooking. Maintenance and care. Proper maintenance and care are crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of both Dutch ovens and stock pots. For bare cast iron Dutch ovens, seasoning is essential. This process involves coating the pot with oil and heating it to create a non-stick, rust-resistant surface. Seasoning should be repeated periodically to maintain the pot's condition. Cleaning bare cast iron requires special attention. It should be washed with hot water and a stiff brush, avoiding soap as it can strip away the seasoning. Enameled cast iron Dutch ovens are easier to maintain. They can be washed with soap and water and are often dishwasher safe, though hand washing is recommended to preserve the enamel. It's important to avoid sudden temperature changes, which can cause the enamel to crack. Using wooden or silicone utensils instead of metal can prevent scratching of the enamel surface. Stock pots, typically made of stainless steel or aluminum, are generally low maintenance. They're usually dishwasher safe, though hand washing can help maintain their appearance. For stubborn food residues, soaking the pot in warm, soapy water often suffices. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or steel wool, which can scratch the surface. Both types of cookware benefit from proper storage. Stacking heavy items on top of them can lead to chips or dents. For Dutch ovens, placing a soft cloth between the pot and lid during storage can prevent the enamel from chipping. Versatility. The versatility of Dutch ovens is one of the most appealing features. They seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven, making them ideal for recipes that require both searing and slow cooking. This versatility extends to the types of cuisine they can handle, from hearty European stews to spicy Indian curries. Dutch ovens are also excellent for outdoor cooking. Their ability to withstand high temperatures makes them perfect for campfire cooking, whether it's baking bread or preparing a one-pot meal over hot coals. While stock pots may not match the all-around versatility of Dutch ovens, they excel in their specific applications. Beyond making stocks and soups, they are invaluable for water bath canning, steaming large quantities of vegetables or shellfish, and even brewing beer at home. Their large capacity makes them ideal for batch cooking, allowing home cooks to prepare meals for the week ahead or for large gatherings. Cost and value. Dutch ovens, particularly high-quality enameled cast iron versions, can be a significant investment. Prices for premium brands can range from $200 to $400 or more. However, many cooks consider them a worthwhile investment due to their durability and versatility. With proper care, a good Dutch oven can last for decades, making it a cost-effective choice in the long run. Stock pots generally have a lower price point, with basic stainless steel models available for under $50. However, high-end, multi-ply stock pots from premium brands can cost $200 or more. The value of a stock pot often depends on how frequently it will be used and the specific cooking needs of the individual. Aesthetic appeal and presentation. Dutch ovens, especially enameled versions, often serve a dual purpose as both cookware and serveware. They come in a wide range of colors, from classic neutrals to vibrant hues, allowing them to complement various kitchen decors. The ability to cook and serve from the same vessel not only saves on dishes, but also adds a rustic, homey touch to meal presentation. Many home cooks and professional chefs alike appreciate the visual appeal of a colorful Dutch oven filled with a bubbling stew or freshly baked bread. This aesthetic quality has contributed to the Dutch oven's popularity in food photography and social media. Stock pots, while primarily functional, can also be attractive. High-end models often feature a polished finish that can look impressive in a kitchen. However, they're less likely to be used as serving vessels due to their size and shape. Environmental considerations. When considering the environmental impact of cookware, both Dutch ovens and stock pots have their merits. Dutch ovens, particularly those made of cast iron, are extremely durable and can last for generations with proper care. This longevity reduces the need for replacement and, consequently, the demand for new production. Enameled cast iron Dutch ovens, while not recyclable due to the enamel coating, can often be repurposed even if the enamel becomes damaged. The cast iron core remains functional and can be re-enameled or used as is. Stock pots made of stainless steel or aluminum are often recyclable at the end of their life cycle. The materials used in their construction, particularly aluminum, are easily recycled and can be used to create new products. Both types of cookware can contribute to energy efficiency in cooking. The heat retention properties of Dutch ovens mean less energy is required to maintain cooking temperatures. Stock pots, with their large capacity, allow for efficient batch cooking, potentially reducing overall energy use in the kitchen. So, which one is better? Dutch ovens and stock pots each bring unique strengths to the kitchen. Dutch ovens excel in versatility, offering a wide range of cooking methods and the ability to go from stovetop to oven to table. Their excellent heat retention and distribution make them ideal for slow cooking, braising, and even baking. While they represent a higher initial investment, their durability and versatility often make them a worthwhile addition to any kitchen. Stock pots, with their large capacity and specialized design, are indispensable for certain cooking tasks. They're the go-to choice for making stocks, soups, and large batches of food. Their lighter weight and responsiveness to temperature changes make them ideal for tasks that require precise heat control. Ultimately, the choice between a Dutch oven and a stock pot, or whether to have both, depends on individual cooking styles, preferences, and needs. Many home cooks find that having both provides the flexibility to tackle a wide range of recipes and techniques. By understanding the characteristics and optimal uses of each, cooks can make informed decisions about which tool will best serve their culinary aspirations. Whether you're simmering a savory stew in a Dutch oven or preparing a nourishing bone broth in a stock pot, both these kitchen workhorses have the potential to elevate your cooking and bring joy to your culinary adventures. Their timeless designs and enduring functionality ensure they'll continue to be essential tools in kitchens around the world for generations to come.